Congrats on setting up your patient membership plan with Bento. Whenever a patient walks through your door without insurance or any type of dental benefit, your office can now present your membership plan to them as the best solution to getting affordable care. They trust and value your opinion as a professional, and Bento makes providing a world-class plan easy. When treatment planning or looking to show the value of your membership plan, Bento's estimate feature makes this a breeze. Bento does all the work for you so you can quickly print and highlight the value of your in-office plan. When a patient has agreed to sign up for your plan, you can enroll them in the office through your Bento portal, or the patient can enroll themselves by downloading the Bento Dental mobile app. Enter your practice's 7-digit search code and complete the purchase. It is important to encourage these patients to complete the enrollment process in the office, ensuring they are successful with their sign-up. For additional questions on your in-office plan, powered by Bento, you can visit our resource center, Bentopedia, or connect with a plan consultant directly through the portal. We look forward to helping your practice grow with Bento.